Hey guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we got a really cool unboxing. This is a portable power supply station, and guys, we're gonna make this into something pretty awesome. How about turning this into a computer and a gaming setup? What? Stay tuned, guys. Let's try it out. So guys, right away we see it comes packaged really nice. So they take pride and joy in their power bank, so they protect it for shipping. Alright guys, so they give you a manual and a power supply. So this is it. You got a Type-C in, DC out. You got a 3 USB ports in. You got a flashlight light here. You got your power, you got your AC, you got your DC and USB, you got your lights right here. If you go ahead and press the power, it will tell you how much power you got left in your bank. Check out this amazing handle, guys. Wow. On the side, you got lights as well. On the back here, it does give you a little warning notice. So it's rated up to 250 watts and 350 peak. Pause the video if you'd like to read more. Breathable on the one side, breathable on the other side. Underneath, it's got anti-skid little pads. This is so awesome, guys. Now, we're going to turn this into a computer and a gaming system. I know you guys are thinking, you're crazy. Well, we're going to do it, guys. So check this out. So my friends, you see this, and then you see this, and here's our power supply for the screen. So just a plug, and you might think, okay, so what? It's a monitor. How's this going to work? Well, let me take a look and show you guys behind it. So behind our monitor is a computer. This is a computer. This is a switcher. This is an HDMI gaming set. This has over 600 games on here, on this little device right here, connected to our switch, and all of our cables are back here. This is a prototype that I'm working on. And now we're going to power this entire thing from this little bank. Let's show you guys. Check it out. Power, AC power. Now we wait. And there we go. Now we have power. Check this out. Our computer is now turning on and is powered by this device. Is that not cool or what? Now let's go ahead and switch this back down. You guys see the light is lit up. By pressing that button, we can switch between our computer to gaming system. Because this is a screen that is a touch screen, we don't have to have any keyboard or mouse or nothing. We could just do everything right here. We got Windows 10 on here, and everything is right here, all because of this power bank. So let's go ahead and show you some other features here. So you got the lights on the side there. Press and hold. So you double tap it for the front lights. You can have all lights on at the same time. Double tap to turn them off. Tap just once to go through the different modes here. And oh, by the way, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Pretty sweet, isn't it? So we press this button here. Now we got a computer. We can go ahead and
read and scan on-screen keyboard.
So there we go. On screen keyboard, type here. We can type our password in, enter our computer. Great. Oh, but wait, didn't I mention a gaming system? How can we have a gaming system? Well, my friends, all I do is reach back behind here. I feel for the button, press the button. Oh wait, look at this. Now we got a gaming system. Let's go ahead, grab our controller. By the way, let's go ahead and power our controller and charge our controller with the power bank. Okay, so we go ahead and press the USB power button. Now we are powering our controller. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Check it out, guys. This power bank is amazing. Pretty sweet, is this not? And now we can take this anywhere we want to go. So guys, I think it's safe to say this power bank is amazing, phenomenal, just phenomenal. Now, I'm working on making a permanent setup. So what I'm going to be doing in the future is building a box and having this inside the box where I can literally just carry the box with me with this power bank. So that means I can actually, so right now I have to just simply disconnect this. Well, actually, no, we can leave that together and that can stay there. But I'll just have to simply disconnect this, which we got to shut down the computer first. We don't want to do a hard shutdown. But if I disconnect this, then I got to carry this and carry this separately. But I'm going to build a box where I can have this and this in one box that I just simply press the button to turn it off and carry the box with me. Is that not going to be cool or what? All because this power bank is amazing. You guys need this, man. This is amazing.